Falcons, we are talking about the assignment sequence. Here I am in Google looking at a race car burnout sequence. I had to add the term animation for this particular search so that I could find a car moving at speed, burning out and turning around. This will be the animation. In order to download this image, I'm going to right click it and actually save the image as. I'm a big fan of calling it what it is. Burnout 3 cars. And I'm working right now with a sequence folder located in my documents, trying to keep everything together. Here in Photoshop, I'm going to open up that image. Burnout 3 cars. It's a web format image right now, which could give me some issues. And that's part of why it's really important that you convert the whole thing to a video screen. File, New, Film and Video. You're selecting either a 1280 720 or a 960 720. Remember, when you export your final video out of the media encoder, you are always selecting YouTube 720. For the best quality image, you want to have a match between your source and your output. Click Create. All right, up here on Burnout Cars, I'm going to use my selection tool to make a clean selection of my first car, and I'm going to make a copy. I'm going to bring it over to Untitled and paste the copy. The copy is quite small. I have limits. Under Transform Scale, I can use the numbers upstairs. Here's my width and my height, and they are chained together. I have a maximum of an increase of 200% here before the image starts to lose quality. I'm going to type in 200. Check. When I mute the background of the image, I can see clearly that the car has a very white box shaped background. Using the selection tool and the navigator, I'm going to select the car. This is the part of the image that I want to keep. This tool is really convenient because if you select too much, so let's say I'm really sloppy about it, and I actually pick up a lot of the background. When I click Invert Selection, on this bar down here, I'm actually going to select the center icon, Invert Selection, and right here you can very clearly see that I have way too much white background. And so I'm going to select Subtract and the smaller brush, and I'm going to kick out some of this stuff. I don't really want it. Oh, wait, add to the selection. We want to turn it pink. This is the stuff I don't want. Part of working fast is understanding that when you pull something off of an internet resource, you are taking the full size of that image, even if it is a white background. When you animate that source, it will show. It's your job to completely get rid of it. So at this point, because the entire white background is selected, I'm going to hit my delete key. Pop, it's gone. How do I know? I only see checks in the background. Invert selection and delete. I'm going to repeat this process with each one of my cars until I get a full stack of cars. This is the end of sequence 1.